Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. This is the Sensio Home Sensor bin in white and gold, and it's a 12-litre version. It's an electronic bin, and you might be thinking, do you really need an electronic bin for your bathroom or for your kitchen? And if you're a bit like me, the answer will be a firm yes. The reason why is if you have a look at what it's replacing here on the left, this is my existing bin, and I am absolutely fed up of it. So if you have a look at the pedal over time, it just gives way, and if you try stepping on it, it opens a bit, but it doesn't open up fully, and then you have to go down, lift up the lid itself. So over time, this gives way and you don't get the height on there. With the sensor bin, it eliminates all of that. And you can open up the sensor bin in one of two ways, as I will show you now. So to open up the bin, it has a sensor on the front, and as soon as it detects motion there, it will open up. So I did that with my hand, but it's quite low down, and I think the better way of actually doing it is simply just bend your knee near it. So go just like you were going to go with the pedal bin, put your foot nearby, bend your knee forward, and there you go. It opens up. No pedal to push, no bending down, and it opens up. And it's as good as that. You can sort of just see there how quick it is. You throw your rubbish in. As you can see, you've got plenty of space in there as well. Throw the item in. You don't have to worry about lifting the lid or the pedal being broken. The other thing you will have noticed in this is that I've put a bin liner in here. So the bin liner that I've actually put in here is the one made by Brabantia. So I've gone with the 10 to 12 litre Brabantia fit bags. They're not designed for this, but they do work for it. So this is the Brabantia bags which work with this. And if I just show you on the bin how easy it is to sort of dismantle and take the rubbish out as well. So once the bin is full, you can just literally lift this up, put that down. And there, what I've done is I've wrapped the Brabantia bag inside. So there's the carry handles inside, which just come here, and you can just lift this, and this top comes off, and you can just bin the bag afterwards by just removing it from there. Or if you want to tip it, you can obviously, if this is full, you can just tip it out and reuse it depending upon what you put in here. Otherwise this will just very easily come out. There's the actual sort of bar that you can just put the bag next to, and then once you put the bag back in there, so I put it in here, lifted this and just put it around both of those, push those down so the bag is concealed inside, and then you just take the top, you just put it on there, and it's all done. In terms of the power source for this bin, it uses 2 AA batteries. So again, if I just lift this lid, flip it over, and here are where the batteries are, and you just literally pull this off, and you just put the batteries in there. So it's 2 AA batteries. I always use the Energizer lithium batteries because they keep their full charge all the way until they're completely dead. So it avoids that issue of when they're getting weaker, you know, the bin's going to open up slowly or anything else, because they keep their full charge until they're completely dead. So that's the Energizer lithium batteries, but you can use normal AA batteries, and it's AA. And to just put this back on, you literally just push this in and clip it back again, and it's all done. So just do that and clip it back, and it's all done. Then you can just put this back on. So just to finish off with some quick approximate dimensions, that's about 32 centimeters in terms of height. Across it is, and let me just lift that up. Across it is about 19 centimeters. If I just take this off, so I can just do the measurement this way as well, that is 23 centimeters. So you've got an idea of the dimensions there as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and as I say, I think it's a brilliant bin and way better than the usual pedal bin. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.